Ja jestem gotowa jak coś.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our live trading session. Today we're gonna look for some opportunities on the market. We're gonna check if we got any nice setups using different strategies. We're gonna go through microeconomic calendar because we need to check if everything is if there is anything important that can affect our trading. And today I'm not alone. Today with me is Weronika. Cześć Weronika.
Cześć, hello.
Check the charts and the rest of the session probably is gonna be in English language, guys. Okay, we're gonna start from microeconomic calendar. This is very important and we need to remember to check it before every single session, okay? Let me just open the calendar. This is forexfactory.com. You can check news on any other website like investing.com, econoday.com, but remember to change your time zone. I know you guys from all over the world, so it's very important to choose the right time zone for you so you won't miss anything, okay? All right, so we are looking at Wednesday, January the 14th of January, of course, and I'm looking at high impact news. Okay, we don't care about low impact or medium impact, only high impact news, because only then we can expect much more activity on the market, unexpected moves, and that can sometimes lead to stop losses or even you can blow your account. Okay, 2:30, because high impact news in forexfactory.com are marked as red, like here. Red folder means this is high impact. And 2:30 p.m. So we got still plenty of time because we got like 5.5 hours to those news. We got PPI in United States. These news are very important and we need to be aware of that. We need to include that in our trading plan. But the rest of the day, it's looking good, guys. So I think it's gonna be a good day for trading because we still got like 5.5 hours to those news. We can use morning strategies to find some opportunities. And of course, we're gonna try to make some money. That's why we are here. Okay, I think Veronika can start analyze. So we're gonna switch to Veronika, and Veronika will share with you her approach. It's gonna be in Polish language, but don't worry, the most important things I will translate so you will understand it in full. Okay, so let's switch to Veronika. Veronika, myślę, że możesz zacząć swoją analizę.
Dobrze, jeszcze raz witam wszystkich, nazywam się Weronika i będę dzisiaj z Bartkiem prowadzić live'a i chciałabym się skupić na analizie, już sobie co nieco przygotowałam przed, wybrałam takie pary walutowe, nad którymi chciałabym się dzisiaj skupić. I teraz tak, AUD-USD. Jako że dzisiaj na poranku z Pawłem rozmawialiśmy o tym, że dolar prawdopodobnie się wzmacnia, czyli ja bym tutaj chciała też iść w tą stronę. Jeżeli mamy target u góry i na dole, to chciałabym też zwrócić uwagę, że jeżeli dolar się wzmacnia, to wszystkie pary walutowe z dolarem tutaj po drugiej stronie powinny, no nic nie powinno, tylko po prostu prawdopodobnie będą spadały w dół, tak?
Mogę tylko przetłumaczyć, dobra?
Okay. I teraz tak, tutaj widzę, wyrysowałam sobie tutaj taki kanał, złapałam sobie tutaj punkty u góry, zrobiłam sobie tu taką samą linię oczywiście, bo kanał powinien być równoległy, jak już wszyscy na pewno wiedzą. Wyrysowałam sobie tutaj kanał, na naszym all-in panelu wyznaczyłam sobie target mam na górze i na dole, ale tak jak już Wam wcześniej mówiłam, chciałabym zagrywać tutaj do tego targetu na dole, ze względu na to, że wyrysowałam sobie kanał spadkowy. Tutaj też wyznaczyłam sobie klaster z naszego tutaj all-in panelu. Cena tutaj pięknie zareagowała, ładnie nam się tutaj w tym miejscu na klastrze też odbiła, tak? I teraz, jeżeli chodzi o wejście w pozycję, jakie warunki według mnie powinny zostać spełnione. Ja tutaj widzę też mikrorotację wzrostową, która została potwierdzona, więc jeżeli chodzi o strategię PSND, czasami zwracam uwagę na aspekty na przykład ze strategii PEG, no ale tutaj też rzuca mi się właśnie w oczy tutaj ta mikrorotacja, więc mogłabym też na nią zwrócić uwagę i wiemy, że ona tutaj jest, tak? Mikrorotacja wzrostowa, korekta i potwierdzenie, odbicie tutaj od kanału górnego, odbicie na klastrze. No i teraz jeżeli chodzi o strategię PSND, to ogólnie zasadą jest, żeby cena była oczywiście po odpowiedniej stronie EMY, tak, czyli musi przebić całym ciałem tutaj tą linię EMA, tak, żeby w ogóle myśleć o zagraniu na sell, tak. Tutaj jak widzicie cena ładnie nam przebija, więc jeżeli zobaczymy przebicie i zamknięcie się świecy z H1 tutaj, to możemy tutaj sobie rozpatrywać wejście. Więc ja wchodzę sobie tutaj jeszcze na nasz all-in panel i wyznaczam sobie jeszcze dodatkowe poziomy, które mnie interesują, tak? Czyli to są open dnia, tygodnia, miesiąca, close, high i low, tak? Ja sobie zawsze je wyznaczam, żeby wiedzieć, gdzie cena mogłaby zareagować. Nie wiem, Bartek, za szybko chcesz?
Ja mogę przetłumaczyć teraz, daj mi chwilkę. Veronica is saying that according to morning news, because in the morning we had a all-in morning program, US index should get stronger. So all the currency pairs related to US dollar, like Australian dollar is the base currency, so it should go down. We have two different targets from our all-in ASAP strategy. One is above the price, quite far away, and the other one is right at the bottom, like you can see. We got some kind of rotation channel, and the price just reacted at the cluster. Cluster is quite important in this strategy. Also, Veronica usually always said high and low of previous day, previous week, and previous month. And over here, we are probably waiting for price to break through exponential moving average, because we got reaction, and maybe there will be opportunity to go down to open the trade, and we're gonna try to get to the target, which is at the bottom right now. Okej, myślę, że możesz dalej.
Dobra. Tak jak tutaj już wcześniej wspominałam, będę chciała sobie tutaj wyznaczyć z pomocą all-in panelu nasze tutaj poziomy, na których cena może zareagować. Ja zawsze ich używam, żeby wiedzieć, zobaczcie, tutaj mieliśmy poziomy i tutaj cena się troszeczkę, tutaj jak widzicie cena reagowała, tutaj zareagowała, tutaj dzisiaj zareagowała, tutaj też, zobaczcie, ona się tutaj odbija jak piłeczka, tutaj też zareagowała, więc dla mnie te poziomy z moich obserwacji są też bardzo istotne, oprócz klastrów, tak? Więc ja sobie tutaj wyrysowałabym tą strefę, zanim usunę sobie te poziomy, wyrysuję sobie tutaj tą strefę taką, no jest ona dosyć szeroka, ale ja bym chciała o niej wiedzieć, tak, jak usunę. Może sobie tutaj narysuję po prostu poziomy, żeby tutaj też już nie rysować jednej wielkiej strefy, które mnie będą interesowały, tak? Ok. Żeby wiedzieć, że te poziomy tutaj są. No i tutaj w sumie mogę narysować strefę. Tutaj. Bo tutaj te poziomy dwa są blisko siebie. Tutaj widzę, że cena tak między tymi poziomami lawiruje. Zmienię sobie kolor na czerwony ze względu na to, że tutaj jest, nie, na zielony, tak, faktycznie. Na zielony ze względu na to, że tutaj jest też dużo sprzedających. Zobaczcie, jak tutaj cena zareagowała mocno dwoma świecami zielonymi, więc tutaj jest dużo sprzedających, tak? Teraz mogę sobie w sumie zamknąć te poziomy, bo narysowałam sobie wszystko tutaj, co mnie interesuje. Może jeszcze bym sobie je opisała, żeby było bardziej. Dobra, ja sobie je opiszę, żebym wiedziała. To jest open tygodnia, a tutaj dwa poziomy się sklastrowały i narysuję sobie wtedy je jako strefa, tak? Już, o, tutaj.
I speak now?
Dobra. Wyłączam sobie już te poziomy, żeby było czysto, ładnie, przejrzyście na wykresie. Dobra. Teraz co jeszcze mnie interesuje, to w naszym panelu mamy taki tutaj taką opcję, że możemy sobie wyznaczać swingi z wyższych interwałów. Jeżeli chodzi o swingi, to tutaj zobaczcie też na tym naszym poziomie Previous Week Open mamy swing low, więc tutaj ten poziom też jest taki troszeczkę mocniejszy, tak? Więc jeżeli chodzi o mój plan, to wygląda on następująco. Ja po przebiciu tutaj tej i zamknięciu się nie mogę na razie wejść, ze względu na to, że musimy poczekać, aż ta świeca godzinna zamknie się poniżej M, tak? Więc musimy poczekać na zamknięcie się tej świecy, tak? Czyli zapiszę może sobie w moim dzienniku. Tutaj otwieram sobie mój dziennik i notuję plan na AUD, USD i teraz sobie wpisuję, czekam na zamknięcie się świecy pod EMO z interwału H1, tak, to jest dla mnie na ten moment najważniejsze. No i teraz możemy sobie planować, tak, no tutaj czekamy, aż cena się zamknie. I teraz tutaj widzimy taką sytuację, że tutaj mamy tą mocniejszą strefę, do tej strefy mamy aktualnie 9 pipsów, tak, 90 punktów pipsowych. No i teraz w zależności od tego, jak ta tutaj nam świeca się uformuje, tak będziemy mogli sobie tutaj planować i patrzeć, gdzie moglibyśmy sobie wejść w tą pozycję, tak? Dobrze, ja bym to widziała tak, że tutaj cena bardzo ładnie odbiła mi się właśnie od tutaj tego kanału wzrostowego i ja bym chciała zobaczyć coś takiego, że, czekajcie, włączę sobie, włączę sobie tutaj narzędzie rysowania. No i chciałabym, żeby ta cena zamknęła się tutaj pod EMO, zretestowała. Odbiła mi się tutaj od strony, tutaj tą EMę narysujemy sobie, od strony tutaj dolnej EMy i zareagowała dosyć dużą świecą tutaj spadkową. Chciałabym, żeby to wyglądało tak. Wtedy mogłabym sobie myśleć nad wejściem w pozycję. Jeszcze ja zawsze sobie przechodzę na interwał M5, bo ja sobie zawsze zagrywam, mogłoby to wyglądać tak, 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 tak i tak. Z racji tego, że tutaj te strefy są bardzo istotne i na nie musimy zwracać uwagę. I teraz sprawa wygląda następująco. Ja sobie zrobię screena. Wrzucę go sobie tutaj. Dobra. No i zobaczcie, jak ta cena pędzi w dół. Ona może tutaj nam polecieć tutaj do tego miejsca, tutaj, które zaznaczyliśmy i też tutaj się odbić, zareagować. Może wrócić tutaj do miejsca, może zrobić tak, wrócić tutaj, no i wtedy dopiero polecieć w dół, tak? Są opcje różne, tak? Musimy obserwować cenę. Jeżeli chodzi o godzinę, no to mówię, ja tutaj mam związane ręce, mimo że ta cena dosyć mocno pędzi w dół, to ja nie mogę nic zrobić ze względu na to, że ja zawsze czekam na zamknięcie się świecy poniżej EMY. Tutaj nam się świece nie zamykały, dlatego czekamy tutaj na rozwój sytuacji. Ja zawsze wchodzę sobie też na M5 i też sobie zawsze rysuję tutaj moją najniższą linię oporu, no ale tutaj ona została przebita. Sobie narysuję tak. To też została ona tutaj mi przebita, ale ze względu na tą relację ze średnią tutaj z H1, no to mamy związane ręce. Więc jeżeli chodzi o AUD, USD, to musimy zaczekać na zamknięcie się tutaj tej świecy spadkowej poniżej EMA, no i wtedy możemy rozważać kilka opcji, czyli reakcję tutaj na tej strefie, odbicie od EMY. Wiecie, jeszcze dorysuję. Tak, tak. Tutaj może być relacja ze średnią, odbicie od EMY i wtedy w dół. Pamiętajcie, że musicie się tutaj zawsze zabezpieczyć, tak? Żeby ta cena Wam tutaj nie zawróciła na tych ważniejszych strefach. Ja sobie wrzucę tutaj drugi, który według mnie może być bardziej prawdopodobny, ten setup. No i możemy sobie zapisać, czekamy na zamknięcie. Chciałabym zobaczyć retest EMY. EMY 21. Wejście w pozycję z mocną obserwacją stref. Nazwiemy tę strefę kupujących. OK. Więc tak to wygląda. Ja bardziej myślałabym o tym scenariuszu. Zaraz sobie zmierzymy, ile tutaj mamy jeszcze pipsów. Można by było, no mamy tutaj niecałe 10 pipsów, więc jeżeli widzielibyśmy tutaj fajną reakcję świecy, reakcję sprzedających, można by było wchodzić w pozycję, pamiętając o tym, żeby się tutaj zabezpieczyć, tak? No i tak wygląda plan na AUD USD i może Bartek tak pokrótce przetłumaczysz?
Okay, so Veronica's got like two different plans. You can see she's waiting for the price to drop down to the cluster and retest the exponential moving average. Then she gonna look for opportunity to go down to the target. And the other option is to retest again, rotation channel, and then the price to drop down. So I think the plan is pretty good. And Okej, Weronika, to jest jakby z tego, z AUD masz już wszystko, tak?
Tak.
Okay, thank you, Veronica. Now I'm gonna switch to my charts and we're gonna... Okay, guys, so what can we do in the morning? Which strategy can we use in the morning? We usually use all-in ASAP. The strategy all-in ASAP is working pretty well. The targets... we got many targets, not only standard targets from the previous day, but also we got some daily targets and we can look for them as well. First of all, we can have a look at Euro USD. Where we at? What's going on Euro? And we're gonna check if we got any targets because today morning we had all-in morning program, and according to the news, global news, there is a chance that US dollar index will increase, so it will get stronger. That means Euro USD should go down. And that's okay. I am okay with that, because if we look at Euro USD from 1 hour time frame, we can see that the price is dropping down. We are in some kind of bearish trend from 4 hour time frame as well. So you can see the price is dropping. Okay, I'm gonna try to find rotation channel. This might help us to position. Okay, let me just zoom it in. We got some reactions here. Okay, it's fine. This is trend line. 1 second, I'm gonna copy that line and we're gonna check from the bottom. How is it working? I think it's good. We got some undershoots, but that is normal on the market, okay? Most of the rotation channels got overshoots, undershoots, and we can use that as well, okay? But maybe the other time I will explain how it works. So, do we have any targets? Yes, we do have a targets, and we got one target which is lower, around 30 pips. Can we get there? Can we open position? Probably yes. We can see reaction at exponential moving average 21. Let me just make sure it's 21. Yes. Any clusters? Not really. Nothing on the way to our target. But I would like to find the perfect entry. I would like to find a place where we can enter the position from lower time frame, so our stop loss will be a little bit smaller. And we're gonna mix it, okay, a little bit with smart money concept. Okay, let me check the Asian session. This setup worked perfectly yesterday. You can see the price got into liquidity zone. We had reaction, retest, and there was a chance to grab some pips on here. And today we got similar situation. I can add a trend line right here, and we are breaking through, which is good because I'm expecting the price to break through this trend line, and we're gonna wait for retest, and then we're gonna enter the position. Okay. One more thing. Let me just zoom it in. Okay. Not sure, we might have... No, not really. Okay. So we're gonna leave it. Okay. We can see that this is Asian session. London opened and they grabbed liquidity from Asian session, and we can see reaction going down. Okay. The thing is, we got some liquidity down here as well, so we will see. We should have reaction here. We're gonna wait for retest, and we're gonna try to enter the position. Usually my take profit is around the other side of Asian session, but because we got target, we can try to go lower. Maybe our risk to reward will be much bigger, maybe 3-1, maybe 4-1. We will see. The price is dropping, so we can look for the opportunity to go down. This is 5 minutes time frame. Let them drop. I want to see what's going to happen in this area. Then we're going to wait for retest. Basically, we don't need to wait for the retest to this trend line. Okay. I'm looking at this imbalance here. I cannot say it is over there, okay? But I'm not sure how this candle will finish. This candle may finish like this, and there will be no imbalance, okay? It doesn't matter. Let's look for some support to resistance zone, and this is our support resistance zone. It's in liquidity zone, okay? So we need to be aware of that. Anything else we can use? Probably yes. Okay, this area here. If we're gonna retest it, and we're gonna have reaction, this area, so the price may come back not here, but maybe the reaction will be here. We're gonna enter the position to go down. I'm gonna change the color, okay? And custom. Okay, this is our support resistance zone. Support resistance zone. So let's wait for the price to come back here, and we're gonna look for the trade. This is gold. Okay. So we're gonna look for the trade. I'm gonna enter that plan into our trading journal. We got very nice trading journal for our community. So if you are on our Discord channel, you are in mentoring program, you are in Profitable Trader, you can get access to your trading journal. You will find it on our Discord channel, Trading Journal. So just go there and you will find very nice, I think it's very nice, very, very nice trading journal. Okay. All right. So let's enter this trade. Let me just make a screenshot. Okay. Also, I want to check if we got any volume level right here. Maybe something up here, and it will help us also to make decision. Okay, volume edge load, volume edge count. Okay, we got some volume levels which are over here. So if the price will get here and we're gonna have reaction here, that's fine. But we're gonna have to wait for the price to close under this area, and then we're gonna enter the position. So we got few different options. We can look for the trade from here, okay, to go down. The price might go higher, and after the breakout, we can look for the trade. So we got few options, okay? First one here and reaction, okay? That's the first option. All right, first, number one. Okay, I'm gonna leave number one. Number one. Okay. So that is the first option. If the price will go higher, we're gonna wait. It might be even better to wait for something like this and then enter the position. So that will be our second option. Okay. And I'm gonna make a screenshot. So we're gonna put that in our trading journal. Maybe we can use it now, maybe later. We will see. Second, so I need to create new folder. Okay, the price is coming back, which is good, which is perfect for me. And we're gonna have to wait for the reaction. 1 second, guys. Trading journal. Let's go back to trading journal. This is Euro USD. We want to sell. I don't want to count this to statistic because this is trading plan, so I can mark this trading plan. Sell strategy, let's say smart money, okay? Lot size, it doesn't matter because this is only for trading plan. So profits, let's say $1. Entry price, we don't know exact entry price, so I'm gonna put anything. It doesn't really matter. Today is 14th, 1 second. 14th of January 2026. Open time, we don't know open time, so I usually put 001 and 002, okay? Stop loss, I'm not sure, but probably somewhere around 10 pips and maybe take profit around 30 pips. Risk will be probably 0.5%, okay? Because this is 3 to 1. So let's add some description. I can see that liquidity from Asian has been grabbed. Also, there was a reaction, strong reaction, quite strong, okay? Strong reaction. The main trend is bearish and right at the bottom I have targets from ASAP strategy. I'm waiting for the price to retest a trend line and need to see strong reaction. Then I will enter the trade. Risk to reward 1, 2, 3, probably. I'm not sure. This is the plan. Let's upload the screenshot. Where is that screenshot? Oh, here. No. Okay, let's upload the screenshot. What's going on Euro? There is reaction. Nice, nice. Safe trade. So trade is safe in our trading plans. These are plans from previous days. We can see the strategy used. And today, this is Smart Money Concept Euro USD, and we can check what's going on. We can see the notes and we can check the plan. Okay, so let's go back into the chart because something is happening. There is reaction and it's pretty nice. So let me just open the platform. Euro USD. This is M5. Not yet, like you can see, not yet. I'm gonna get prepared. Euro USD, advanced order, risk mode, points and percent. We want to risk 0.5%. And stop loss, I'm not sure, somewhere around 10 pips. We will see, probably less. Less for sure, maybe 5 pips, minus 50. Okay, we will see. We can see retest, okay, which is great. And We can see the retest, which is great. We just need to see nice candle. We can see retest of exponential moving average as well. So we're gonna try to open the trade. We can see a reaction at support resistance zone. Okay, I'm not surprised. So it might be good to wait for the price to break through and close under this support resistance zone. It might be a more safe option for us. Okay. This is looking pretty good, I would say. I'm looking at gold because I'm curious if we're gonna break through today's high, okay? Because we done new high today, and I'm curious if we're gonna uh, get there again, because we had few reactions, 1, 2, 3, 4 reactions, and maybe the price will go up again. We will see. But anyway, let's go back to euro. The second option is that the price may get to this volume level, and then we're gonna look for the trade. So let's leave it. We need to wait a few more minutes anyway. I want to check because on GBP USD there might be similar situation. Price is reacting. Good, nice reaction. I cannot see power of sellers. You can see that the price got to liquidity zone and we got reaction. Okay. All right, let's leave it for now. We got a few more minutes, so let's leave it. British pound was quite interesting in the morning. I think we still have a chance to get to that target. You can see a target from All-in ASAP strategy. The target is above, and we were close to that target. We had reaction. And because we got cluster, this cluster is related to Fibonacci levels, okay, measurements from previous day, from previous week, and from previous month. So it's combined of 3 different levels. These are 2 different actually levels. There is a cluster, so this area can be strong, and if we got targets close to the cluster, we can look for the trade for reaction. Maybe we can set order for reaction right here. We will see. There is nice imbalance as well, but the price nearly closed that imbalance. We were missing few pips. So maybe there is a still chance for reaction. We will see. If the price will go higher, we're gonna try to open the position to go down for reaction. This trade can be 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but we will see. I'm expecting euro to go down, so let's wait. Volume edge, okay. You can see the settings, just make a screenshot because I'm gonna close it, okay? So 3, 2, 1. Okay. We are coming back to the other side of a trend line and we are breaking through the support resistance. We will see. Okay, this is quite important area. In the meantime, let's have a look at US index. Look, we go up. Okay, that's why we do not enter trade too early. Okay, we got to volume level and there is reaction. Are we gonna go higher? Reaction at volume level, which is good, but now we need to close under a nice candle and we gonna try to go down, of course. Okay, let me just show you US dollar index. We know that the global news are saying that US dollar index should go up, but you know how it is. Even if we might be pretty sure that it's gonna go up, it can go down, and the rest of the day maybe we will go up. So we need to be aware of that. We stopped today at strong support resistance. Strong resistance zone. If we're gonna break through, there is a chance that we're gonna go up to the sky. But if we look at 15 minutes time frame, this is quite interesting. This is like pattern from books. It's working sometimes. I'm not saying every time, but it's working sometimes. Head and shoulders. And maybe if we're gonna break through this support resistance zone over here, there is a chance we're gonna drop. I'm not saying that index will reverse and change direction. No, there might be only small pullback, maybe to some imbalance area, and then maybe continuation. So, so we need to find the right place to enter the position. Because if we're gonna break through, that means euro, we should open the trade on euro. And if we're going to break through, there is a chance that US dollar index will continue its run, bullish run. Okay, because we can see from higher time frame, we are definitely going up. Okay, we are definitely going up. Market structure changed for bullish, and we are in bullish trend. Okay, what's going on Euro USD? Nothing yet. We got nice reaction, but not yet. Not yet. It's looking better and better. We might have a chance to open it in the second. Yes, it's good, but we need to wait for the candle to close, okay? If you see candle like this going down and you're trying to get into position to go down, of course, and you don't wait for the candle to close, you may have situation like this, that this candle will close like that, let's say. You're gonna leave weak and it won't look like in the first place when it started, when the price started to going down. That's why we are waiting for the candle to close. I need to make sure that we got some sellers. Okay, we got reaction. This candle, is it good? It's not too bad, I would say. But maybe it's gonna be good if we gonna wait for the candle to close lower a little bit, okay? US dollar index, 5 minutes time frame. Come on. Not yet. Not yet. What about GBP USD? Not yet. Okay. I can see gold is running. Gold is running. Probably gold will break through and it will continue bullish trend, probably. You see they tried to break through they did break through, but 1, 2, 3 reactions we are getting again. We're trying again to push the price up. We're gonna check gold in the second, but first let's have a look at euro. That's why we didn't enter position yet. You can see now it's price is going opposite direction. Okay. All right. If not, if the price won't break through now, don't worry. We can mark some important areas and we can look for the trade maybe from this area right here. We got some liquidity from yesterday right in this place. Mm, And we got some imbalance, I think, from higher time frame. Yes, we got some imbalance from higher time frame, and this is also some kind of support resistance zone, like you can see. Okay, so if we're gonna get here, there is a chance that we're gonna drop down from that area. So we're gonna look again for the trade. Okay, no rush. We are waiting for the best situation we can find. And then we're gonna decide if we want to enter the position or not. Okay. Maybe like this, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure because we're stuck somewhere here. Up and down, up and down. We're gonna have to wait. Maybe we can set order for reaction at GBP USD. We got 7 pips. If we're gonna set stop loss for 10 pips, we got cluster here, and this cluster should be like a security guard for us. So think there is a chance that we gonna have a reaction at GBP USD, but I think okay. GBP USD 5 minutes time frame. We'll see. We are not too far. If the price will get closer, basically we can get prepared for that. For reaction. Reaction at level 34524. Percent. I want just 0.5% or even less for reaction. Sometimes you can get even smaller. Okay, let's do half. Okay, let's do half. So it's 0.5% on this account is $5,000, guys. Points minus 10 pips. Okay, minus 10 pips. So stop loss will be here, and we got cluster, which should save us from getting stop loss, probably, hopefully, I would say, and take profit for 10 pips, points, 10 pips profit, and we can do it like this. So we can set the pending order, okay? We can set pending order. You can see the price is going higher. Euro USD probably same. I want to check US dollar index. What's going on US dollar index? You can see fake breakout and they're going down. Hopefully they're gonna stop somewhere here. Okay. All right, I'm gonna set sell limit order and we will see. I'm not worried too much. Of course, stop losses happens. This reaction setups are working pretty well. We did have a take profit of $5,000 on Monday using this kind of setup, and we will see. We are not too far from that pending order, so it should be activated soon. Risk to reward 1-to-1 for reaction orders. Okay. Euro USD, what's going on? They stopped. Doesn't mean they won't go down. We're gonna wait. Maybe there will be strong reaction and we're gonna enter the position. So let's wait. Let's wait. In the meantime, we're gonna check gold. Gold is getting close to all-time high. On gold, if there's gonna be a reaction, in my opinion, if there's gonna be a reaction again somewhere around this area, there is a chance that if we're gonna break through, we're gonna drop down maybe to close gap from today, maybe from to yesterday. There is another gap, so we got plenty of space, but we will see. This is the key point, okay? So we need to check what's gonna happen in this area after reaction. Maybe we're gonna have a chance to go down, but if the price will break through, I'm expecting not retest and then go up, because usually if we're gonna break through important zone on gold, they're going straight up without waiting for anyone. Okay, so we're gonna look at gold because this is very important area for us at this moment. If we look at 1 hour time frame, we can see strong support resistance zone. Also, this is some kind of pattern. We got spike move. This is from higher time frame, and there is a chance we're gonna break through, and we'll see continuation of bullish trend on gold. Okay, what's going on GBP? Nothing yet. Euro, nothing yet. Is the position open? No, not yet. Oh, we are still waiting. This position is quite big, 50 lot size. 50 lot size, we will see. Okay, on USD CAD, Canadian dollar, also we had cluster and targets. We could use it, or maybe we still can use it. The reaction was there. How many pips away? 1 pips. Okay, we are getting close to our pending order, to our position. We will see what's gonna happen. Come on, few pips away, and the position will be activated. We can see Euro stop. They don't have a power to go up. They stopped here. So now, reaction, very nice reaction, can give us opportunity to go down, okay? To go down. Okay, I'm gonna switch to trading view. I want to check something. Okay, remove 1 hour time frame, and I want to check gold. I want to check this impulse right here. Yeah, we got imbalance also in the area where is our target from all in ASAP strategy. So we are expecting reaction somewhere around this area. Sorry, not this is GBP. This is euro here. Yesterday plan worked perfectly, but that happened during news. So this plan was made on Monday, then continuation on Tuesday, and yesterday the price got to the to our level and they dropped down. We couldn't use it because of high impact news, unfortunately. But sometimes it is like this, all right? Uh, crude oil, crude oil. Euro USD, we might expect reaction at this area as well. I'm gonna leave it for later. It's gonna be better if you're gonna drop down now, but you never know. You never know. You can see they can't push the price up. They got problems to push the price up. Look at this weeks from 5 minutes time frame. Sellers try to push the price down, but I think we still got some buyers over here. I think only thing what can stop us is this trend line probably. If we're gonna break through, I think we should get at least to the high of today. Okay, GBP, let's go. Let's go. Few more pips. 4 pips away. We are only 4 pips away. Okay, we know what to do on euro. We are just waiting. We need to check what's gonna happen. Okay, we still got some liquidity from yesterday right in this place, so we might have reaction on this side. This is buy side liquidity. Also, we got some liquidity from today, so this is high from today. Buy side liquidity. We're gonna check if we're gonna get there. We can also expect reaction. So we're gonna wait for that. At this moment, I want to just add the target from MetaTrader 4. Is it at level 1.6? Sorry, 1 hour time. 16190. 16190. This target, okay, where is it? Oh, but plenty of space to that target. So if we can have even a little bit bigger stop loss, because if there's gonna be reaction and we're gonna enter the position, we can easily set stop loss like this and 3.5 to 1. I think it's pretty good. GBP, we are missing few pips to open the position for reaction. Let's add that to our trading journal, this plan, short position. And let me just make a screenshot. Spending orders, save. Trading journal, okay. And we don't want to count this to statistics, not yet. This is GBP USD. Position sell, strategy all in ASAP. Where is it? It's not here. All in ASAP, lot size. We can check the lot size because we got all the informations here. So 50 lot size. Profit loss, we are looking at $5,000. Open price 34524. Okay, close price 34424. Today is the 14th of January 2026. Open time, let's say 10 a.m. Not open yet, but it's maybe will be shortly. Stop loss for 10 pips. Take profit for 10 pips. Risk 0.5%, okay? Few pips higher. I have target from ASAP strategy and together with cluster. So I'm setting a sell limit order for action risk to reward 1 to 1. Okay, the rest take profit, stop loss. I got everything over there, and I'm gonna load the screen, and we're gonna go save. We got another plan today. That's all the plans since Monday, but we got another plan today. GBP USD plan is ready. Let's check what's going on the chart. It's not activated yet, but it will activate shortly, probably. Come on, one more pips. One more pips. Let's wait for the order to activate. It's gonna appear in open positions. Come on. If they're gonna drop down now, I will be very upset, guys. Very upset. Come on. We are so close to open this position. Come on. Switch to 1 minute time frame. Look how close we are. We're 4 pips points away from the limit order. Hey, thanks, Sławek. Have a great day. This is 5 minutes. This is 1 minute time frame basically, but we are on 5 minutes now. So let's go. Come on, activate. Crap. This is amazing. Yes, of course, the price might go up, straight up, and we might hit stop loss. But this kind of reaction setups are working pretty well. And sometimes you're thinking the price will go up, break through, and you will hit stop loss, and you got profit. So if there is target, if there is cluster, we can set order, no problem. Of course, we're gonna hit stop losses, we're gonna have take profits. This is part of this business, okay? We cannot avoid stop losses. I wish I could avoid stop losses, but it's not possible. Come on, they didn't activate, and there is small reaction now. Ah, come on. Few more pips. What's going on with euro? Are we ready to go? Not yet. We still in the same place. We are still in the same place. On Axie broker, we already got to the target, okay? So maybe we're gonna be unlucky and this position won't activate, maybe. We still got a chance, but the target is done. Target is done. There's always few pips different on every single broker on accounts. You need to be aware of that. But what can I do? If we're gonna drop down now, I'm okay with that. I don't care. We're gonna look for other trades. Don't worry. Just one more pips. We need one more pips. We still got another target on USD CAD, but the price went there 1 pips away. So trzeba było stawić 1 pips poniżej. Yes, I could set order 1 pips lower, but okay. It is what it is. Oh, come on, guys. No. Doesn't matter. Let's go to Euro USD. Maybe we're gonna have a chance to open trade on Euro USD. No, not yet. We could have perfect entry, guys. We could have perfect entry. What can I say? What can I say? There's still a chance we're gonna get there. Why not? Okay, let's look for some trades. Euro is going up. Okay, we're gonna go to higher time frame. I want to check US 500. US 500. This area is pretty nice for a long position from this place right here. We got point of control, but we need some more confirmations. Another confirmation can be for us diamond. Some of you know diamonds from Mariusz. We got diamond here, so this area is even stronger. And to be honest, I prefer to open long positions on US index than short positions, okay? Let me just remove everything. And this trade maybe for later, maybe for US session. We will see. That will work much better. What's going on with GBP? Not yet. That will work much better because it's gonna be somewhere at this point of control. It's gonna be somewhere around trend line right here. So if you're gonna drop, gonna look for a reaction, of course. What else can we find over here? We're gonna look for some volume levels. Why not? Hey, come on. Not yet. Oh, come on. No way. Daniel is in position. Good. Come on, one more pips. Let's go, guys. I can't focus because we are so close to the to open this position. Just a little bit more. Little bit. Yeah. Yes, it's open. Good. It is open. Now, only we can do is to wait. If the price will drop and we're gonna make like 90% of the move, I usually set break even. Usually. Okay? If 90% of this move will be done. Okay, so let's leave it. We're gonna come back to that one. Let's go to US dollar index because this is nice area, but we want to check, of course, volume levels. Okay, US 500. Where is US 500? S&P 500. Yes, open chart window. Good. Let's check if we got any volume levels, volume edge. No, look how the volume levels are working. Let me just change some properties. Look, volume level. That's why we are looking at those volume levels, because many times the reaction is perfect. Look at here, look at here. Perfect reaction just in points. That's why I'm looking for any volume level in this area, but there's nothing at this moment. Unfortunately, no. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, GBP is going up. All right. All right, we are breaking through the cluster, but there is another cluster in this area. So hopefully this cluster will save us. We will see. Okay, because there's nothing on US 500 at this area. Only thing what we can do is to wait till US session, and if the price will drop, because I'm not sure if we're gonna get there today. If the price will drop, I will look for reaction at that area. Okay, at point of control area, and usually it's very simple to use it, because if we got point of control area, this is quite good area, because also we have diamond right here, this candle between those green candles, and we can jump to lower time frame, like 5 minutes time frame, and we can look for fail swing. So if we're gonna have reaction, let me show you that from 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so if we're gonna get here, let's say later on, I'm gonna look for fail swing. Okay, and then I will enter the position. This fail swing sometimes is crucial to check, to enter in the right moment. Okay, fail swing, they are usually working pretty well in the areas where we are interested in entering the position. Okay, I'm not sure if you're gonna drop down so low. So can we find something higher? I cannot see anything. There is volume from yesterday, but I cannot see strong impulse right here. There was strong impulse, but this area, I'm not surprised that this is the point of control, because the price was moving most of day in this area. So point of control showing us the highest volume, uh, traded in specific level. Okay, let's go. Come on. Drop down, drop down. No, no, not up. No, no up. Down, down. Come on. So US 500, we'll see. I want to have a look at gold, because I think we are breaking through, guys. We are breaking through. Okay, this is trend line, not the trend line, like resistance line, say. We will see how it works. a little bit flat. It's a little bit flat. So what I'm saying on gold, we can look for opportunity, but remember today since yesterday we done 530 pips. So if this area will hold and we're gonna break through, we can add some trend line. This setup can be pretty simple. After breaking through, there is a chance for drop. Okay, if this, I cannot say this is like rotation channel. It's a bit flat, but probably there is a chance we can get to the bottom somewhere here. But if we're gonna break through, I think we might see strong impulse up. Okay, because there is fuel over there. So and we will see if it's gonna be fuel for dropping down or fuel for going up. That's the difference. So this moment is crucial. This moment is crucial, and we can wait for the retest. The retest will be the best option probably, but I'm not sure if we're gonna have retest. Okay, for me, better if we're gonna drop down and we're gonna try to join the sellers. Okay, but I think gold can go much, much higher. What's going on with our position? Small profits, not too big. We need some more pips, guys. We need some more pips. That's nothing. That's nothing. We are somewhere around zero. Somewhere around zero. Okay, because we had a plan yesterday also on USD CAD. I think Tomek made that plan. Finally, we can see the price went through this area. They even retested twice, and there is a target which is a little bit higher. Okay, how many pips? We can use all in ASAP strategy to set the order. 28 pips. Why not? 28 pips. Don't. No, I'm not sure if we're gonna have enough space. You can see support resistance zone. It's quite strong because we can see three different reactions. One reaction yesterday, two actually, three today, even more today. So the best option if we're gonna break through, retest it, and we're gonna try to open the position. Maybe we're gonna be able to add some rotation channel, beginning of rotation channel, something like that. Because few pips to get, we know from this morning that US index dollar should get stronger even. So who knows? Who knows? But if I want to open the position, we need to break through this area, and the best if you're gonna retest. Small stop loss probably like this red one, red color, probably like this, and take profit like this. But this will be from lower time frame. What's going on with my platform? This will be from lower time frame because when we're talking about all in ASAP targets, we usually are waiting for. If we have more than 20 pips, it's okay. If we got less than 20 pips, it's not okay. If we are trading for 1 hour time frame, but from 5 minutes time frame, it's the situation is a little bit easier. We can catch a shorter move, but with small stop loss. Okay, it's more risky, of course, less stop loss, but we can do that. Price slowly going down. Let them go at least to 90% of this move. We're gonna secure for break even, and we won't have any risk on that trade. Okay. 5 minutes time frame. Not yet. They might still go up. This reaction is pretty small. If we're gonna break through this support zone, I think we're gonna get to full take profit. But now they are reacting at this support resistance zone. Let me just close it. We're gonna break through. And remember, guys, we still have a chance for British pound or Euro USD to go down using liquidity from Asian session. That's right, because you can see the British pound got already into liquidity zone, and we may drop. We may drop. Hopefully the price will stop at this cluster, not this one. Hopefully we're gonna stop over here, and after reaction, we might have a chance to go down. That's not a problem. So this is only one setup, but we can have another trade. So we're gonna hopefully take profit from this position, and we're gonna look for another position to go down using Asian session. And later on, after 2 o'clock, so when we're gonna start our next live trading session, we're gonna look for not only Asian session liquidity, most of them are already grabbed, but European guys. Why? Because it's also working. Liquidity grab from European session, both sides. Liquidity grab from Europe session, impulse down. Liquidity grab both sides, done. We went into liquidity zone. So it's happening all the time. Liquidity reaction. Okay, so we're gonna try to use it. It's happening every single day. Okay, guys, what else can we do right here today? USD is getting where? Where is it going? Where is it going? Okay, we can look for the trade somewhere around maybe this area right here. We got some imbalances. Let's mark that on the chart. Rectangle, okay, yellow, good. We are getting closer. I'm gonna check drag volume, which is showing us a point of controls. The 4-hour time frame. No. Oh, it's not showing that far. Okay. Fair enough. I'm gonna check it on Zoom, on the trading view. So, okay, we got our point of control. Who knows? We might look for the short position from there. If US dollar will get stronger today, it's not that far because we are around 35 pips, so we can get there. Maybe later on during the PPI, who knows? We need to remember about those news as well. Styles, or point of control. Okay. And we also can look for volume levels, okay? USD CHF. Also, we got weekly volume level at that area. So it's pretty amazing. Let me just upload volume edge. Oh, it's volume edge. Is there anything close by? There is volume level right in this place. Good, very good. 80632. Copy. Look, we got point of control, we got volume level, so we got some kind of zone. So I will look for the trade there, and probably we can set pending order, but I'm not doing this now because later on we got some news. We still got plenty of time, so we'll leave it. We might use it today or tomorrow, okay? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. 17 pips stop loss. Okay, should be enough. So we got point of control. Text right top bottom. Okay. This can be nice trade. We will see. I'm gonna put that in our trading journal. And we're gonna check later on or maybe tomorrow. Like British pound, we said we had plan on Monday and yesterday it worked. Okay. Oh. We need to stop right now because we are getting close to the stop loss and we don't want stop loss, guys. Of course, we don't want stop loss. It's getting hot, guys. Here we got another cluster, so hopefully we're gonna stop at this cluster right here, right now, because if we're gonna go any further, we're gonna get stopped out. Come on, drop. Drop. Okay, let me just put that trading plan into trading journal. The trade is open. Now we cannot do anything, guys. If we're gonna get stopped, we're gonna get stopped. What can we do? USD CHF. I sell. Strategy, smart money. Lot size, I'm not sure. Profit, not sure. Let's say one. Open price, it doesn't matter because I don't need that at this moment. Oh, I can put the open price because we know exactly where is this trade going to. So 806.18, 806.18, and the close price will be 80254. Dates today is 14th of January 2026. Open time we got not sure, so we're gonna put 001. Close time we're gonna put 002. Stop loss 17 pips and take profit for 34 pips. Risk 0.5 probably. One more thing. Check this rotation channel. It's gonna be somewhere nearly the top of rotation channel, nearly. Okay, so I think it's a good place. Okay. How many pips? Around 40 pips higher. I have a point of control daily and weekly point of control together with two basically volume levels and area is also top of bullish rotation channel from 1 hour time frame. I can set order for I can set it to wait for PPI at 2:30 p.m. Okay, so I need to check what's gonna happen during that time, and then I will decide if I want to set that order or not. So the plan is ready. We can use it later. Why not? Okay, safe trade. Trade is safe into our trading plan. We can have a look anytime and we can use it later. Okay, so what's going on with our order? Hopefully we are going down. Yes, guys, we got reactions. We are on the way down. That's great information. Hopefully they're gonna drop even lower. We need to break through, like I said before, we need to break through this support resistance zone. If we're gonna break through, we're gonna get probably full take profit. Full take profit, okay? And we want to get full take profits. Come on, a few more pips. Okay, so it's looking good. We're gonna wait. Hopefully, we can enjoy this profit on this session because soon we're gonna finish. It's nearly quarter to 11. It's 20 to 11 basically. So let's review our plans. Euro USD, we can still use our plan. I will look for a situation like this. If we're gonna break through this support resistance zone, we're gonna break through this trend line. I know we had already breakout, but trust me, it's still working. We got reactions at this area, so I want to see the price breaking through, retest, and I will try to go down. Okay, I will try to go down. I'm gonna save this screenshot. 1 second. No, I'm not gonna save it. Save. Because I'm going to look for this situation. And British pound also, we might have a chance. It's going to be similar breakout, retest, and we're going to try to get at least to this volume level, but there is possibility that we're going to go even lower. And that's what we're going to look for. Come on, we got some profit already. $700. We are missing few pips. We are missing 6 pips. Is it a lot? No. So now this area is very important because we might stop here, and if we're gonna stop here and we're gonna have bullish reaction, strong bullish reaction, probably we're gonna hit stop loss. But no, we're gonna have take profit. Why we should have stop loss? We want take profits, not stop losses. Come on, guys. Only a few pips away from full take profits. Come on. I know they can do it. I know they want to do it. 5 minutes. USD. They cannot break through. Come on, they need to break through. If not, it's gonna be a problem. Need to break through support on for buyers. Wait for that. What's going on with gold? Are they breaking through? No, they not. They still got problem to break through. Another reaction at that level. Another reaction. They're trying, but it's struggling. A good sign that US dollar index, they grabbed some liquidity. I cannot see strong reaction yet, but they grabbed some liquidity from yesterday, and hopefully they're gonna go up. If yes, we're gonna have take profit on British pound, and we're gonna have some opportunities also on Euro USD, British pound. So that's what we basically want. Mm, 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 mm. Come on, I know they want to break through. Candle. Yes. Don't like this reaction. Don't like it because the reaction is in our support zone. Is no for us. No good for us. Okay, guys, we can wait another 5 minutes. We can wait another 40 minutes. So I think we're gonna finish today's session for now. We got few different plans. Let's wait for the perfect one. GBP USD, Euro USD. There is also a plan on USD CHF. Veronica made plan on Australian dollar. So we got few different plans to choose from. One position is open, so let's wait for full take profit. Of course, we don't want any stop losses. And that's it, guys. For now, we're gonna later on check again what's going on the charts. We're gonna use maybe different strategy, maybe price action cycle. But remember, later on we got some important news, CPI, so we need to be aware of that. So, guys, thank you for now. Thank you for this morning, and I will see you later on during our afternoon session. We're gonna try to make some money, of course. That's why we are here. I don't like this reaction, to be honest. But anyway, I'm not closing position now. No, because that would be emotional trading. Okay, we're gonna have stop loss or take profit. I don't mind. All right, guys, thank you for today. I will see you later on, guys. Take care and good luck with your trades.